Good morning, everybody. We are in math. It is day 4, so it's Thursday of the week, and it is April 30th. This is what your screen should look like. For your opening, we are going to be reading our learning target for our mini lesson. You should review the slides that we did Wednesday, so that was yesterday. And then for our work period, you should be watching this video following along. And for our closing, you're going to answer 3 quiz questions. So our learning target. I can recognize opposite signs of numbers as indicating locations on opposite sides of 0 on a number line. I want you guys to go scroll all the way down to your slides from yesterday and review those because right now we are going to be working on, and I'm going to pull up my calculator and I'm going to pull up my PowerPoint slide. We're going to be working on the changing the fraction into a decimal using negative numbers, okay? So let's say you have negative 1 over 4. Well, we know that that really is 1 divided by 4, right? So if we're using our calculator and we say 1 divided by 4, we get 0.25. So let's write that out. 0.25. Now, on our calculator, there are no repeating numbers, so you will not put a bar on top of here. But we do have a negative, so we need to add this negative at the beginning of our numbers. Okay, so our answer would be negative 1 over 4 as a fraction is negative 0.25 as a decimal. Okay, now we have negative 5 over 6. Well, negative 5 over 6 really just means 5 divided by 6, okay? So if we were to put 5 divided by 6 into our calculators, we would get 0.833333333. Well, the way we're going to write this is 0.83. And then which number is repeating, guys? The 3. So if the 3 is repeating, that's where the notation, the bar, is going to go on top. But don't forget, guys, this is a negative number because we've got a negative 5 over 6. So we're going to add the negative as well. Okay? So just what we did yesterday. Just remember that if there's no numbers repeating, there's no bar on top, okay? It's just what the decimal point is in the calculator. But if the number is repeating, like here, you have to put the bar on top, and you have to remember to look, do you have a negative right here? If you have a negative, then you add it right here, okay? So now I want you guys to go to activities, quiz, and you're going to be taking the April 30th repeating decimals and negatives review quiz, okay? It's 3 questions. Good luck, guys.